The best air compressors for 2023. Upgrade your workshop. Only some people can allocate substantial funds to purchase the finest products. Therefore, in today's video, we will present some of the most economical options in the industry that are sure to meet your satisfaction. Please refer to the description for the most up-to-date pricing and comprehensive product information. VEVOR 2.1. This oil-free air compressor we offer is designed with efficiency in mind, thanks to its double tube and double cylinder intake system. This setup saves you time and effort. The intake pipe is a standout feature, crafted from 392°F high temperature resistant silicone and reinforced with stainless steel braided mesh. This dual protection not only enhances durability, but also minimizes damage and corrosion. We take pride in VEVOR's commitment to noise reduction with our 70 decibel, low decibel, ultra quiet air compressor. It incorporates two quality silencers, each comprising a thickened muffled cover, rubber muffler pipe, and filter cotton. These elements not only diminish noise, but also act as an effective barrier against fine dust infiltration. Our air compressor's construction is a testament to its durability, consisting of a 3-layer process, a rust and wear resistant layer, a plastic powder attachment layer, and Q235B structural steel, ensuring ultimate rust resistance. This compressor can handle a maximum pressure of 3.5 MPa and features seamless welding for added security against explosions and leaks. Additionally, it includes 2 large cooling fans and automatic overheating protection to safeguard against damage. Moreover, it incorporates safety features such as automatic shutoff and pressure relief protection in case of excessively high current or storage pressure. The heart of this machine is its 900-watt oil-free motor, which powers the compressor up to a speed of 3,500 rotations per minute, delivering a reliable 2.2 CFM at 90 psi air delivery. This level of performance makes it an ideal choice for supporting various pneumatic and air tools, including nail guns, impact wrenches, spray guns, and pneumatic screwdrivers. It excels in applications such as tire inflation, auto repair, spray painting, and woodwork nailing. Makita MAC100Q. This air compressor makes 58 decibels of noise, which is slightly higher than the CAT 1P1060S. It's also relatively lightweight, weighing in at just 27.6 pounds. The MAC100Q Quiet series is an excellent option for those looking for a quiet air compressor on a budget. While it's not as powerful as the other 2 compressors on this vid, it's still an excellent option for those who need a quiet and lightweight air compressor. It features a 1-gallon steel tank and is oil-free. The complete roll cage design of this compressor protects it from damage. Combine that with the fact that this thing runs on lower RPMs to promote longer engine life, and you've got yourself a compressor that's built to last. This just isn't useful for most jobs. Most tasks are going to require more than a gallon of air. Furthermore, it's expensive compared to similar air compressors of the same size. The best value pick is also tiny, but it costs 1/3 of what this one does. This machine does not have enough power to run several tools. However, it may work for a brad nailer. You'll need a more powerful option if you have several pneumatic tools. ECOMAX 0210673. The ECOMAX Pancake 6-gallon air compressor boasts an enduring oil-free pump design to deliver a prolonged service life, alleviating the necessity for daily maintenance. This in turn ensures the preservation of pristine work surfaces, shielding against unsightly oil stains. It upholds a clean and hygienic work environment, sparing hands, feet, and clothing from contamination. Remarkably lightweight at 27.6 pounds, it exhibits exceptional portability and ease of transport. The inclusion of a robust carry handle further enhances mobility, catering to both domestic and on-site usage. Additionally, the compressor incorporates a winding bracket feature for the seamless storage of its power cord, augmenting its overall convenience. Notably, it accommodates 2 universal quick couplers that facilitate concurrent tool utilization, expediting tool changes and optimizing the performance of air tools, culminating in heightened productivity. Powered by a 1-horsepower oil-free high-efficiency motor, this compressor showcases low-voltage start capabilities, assuring consistent and dependable startups, even under frigid weather conditions. The robust motor imparts versatility to the compressor, making it suitable for diverse tasks. With an impressive 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, The compressor excels in swift air recovery, positioning it as an ideal companion for many pneumatic duties, encompassing trim installation, door frame assembly, window frame fitting, tire inflation, and dust elimination. Furthermore, its formidable 150 max PSI rating underscores its competence in diverse job site scenarios and applications. Limodot. The Limodot air compressor is a powerhouse of compressed air efficiency designed for a variety of applications. This ultra-quiet compressor operates at only 68 decibels, ensuring a peaceful working environment in your shop, garage, or wherever you need it. Boasting a durable 6-gallon steel air tank, this compressor provides ample air storage capacity, making it suitable for various pneumatic tools and tasks. It fills up in a speedy 80 seconds, and thanks to its fast 25-second recovery time, you can maintain continuous work without interruptions. What sets this compressor apart is its oil-free design, which means you won't have to deal with messy oil changes or maintenance. It's hassle-free and reliable, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Even if you're running pneumatic tools, inflating tires, or working on various projects, the Limodot air compressor offers fast and efficient air supply. It's the ideal companion for all your compressed air needs, ensuring a quiet and reliable source of power for your workshop or garage. Porter Cable C2002 ECOM. The next air compressor that you can count on to offer you the best performance in your garage is the Porter Cable C2002 air compressors, and what people tend to love most about this air compressor is its pancake-style design, which helps in bringing optimal stability, and what's more, the Porter Cable has a maximum pressure of about 150 psi, which enables this compressor to hold in a good amount of air, allowing for a longer runtime. However, this air compressor has a decent size as it takes 6 gallons. And what would catch your attention is its higher pressure design, which helps in providing a longer tool performance. Having an oil-free pump makes this air compressor durable, and also requires no maintenance while its powerful motor runs on 120 volts, which makes it easy to start up, even in cold weather. This air compressor can be easily transported and comes with a year warranty. California Air Tools 8010A. The California Air Tool 8010A ranks as one of the top air compressors out there for several reasons. One of the outstanding features of this compressor is that it comes with an electric dual piston motor. The motor is rated at 1 horsepower when operating and hits a peak of 2 horsepower, which gives it a maximum pressure of 120 psi. This air compressor may not be the most powerful out there, but it sure does have enough power to get the job done. Also, it does not need any fuel to operate, meaning a safer and healthier ecosystem. With this compressor, you will get the job done with less noise and in a healthy manner. Even though you're running nail guns, airbrushes, or other pneumatic tools, the 8010A delivers outstanding performance. It's a versatile and dependable addition to any workshop or job site, offering quiet, oil-free, and efficient operation in an 8-gallon package. Upgrade your air compressor to the 8010A and experience the difference in quality and performance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.